Hey guys, Chi-chi here. Welcome back. Today I'm going for a very relaxed look because I have fresh braids and my wig is being washed. So that is not the point of today's video. Today I will be unboxing yet another Anima Iris bag. She was having a random sale. This is why you need to follow her on Instagram. So she was having a sale for $222.22 and she was giving 22% off, and I saw that and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So ended up ordering this bag. This is the brand new packaging for it. I know she was doing a lot of polls maybe a couple of months ago about what color she should be using and things like that. So I wonder if I have the new like dust bags and stuff like that. I don't know yet, but we're gonna find out together. So, ooh. You know I love good presentations. This is handcrafted in Dakar, Senegal. And we have a little fufula right here. Let's try to, you know what, we're not even gonna undo that part. We're just gonna slip the bag right on out. Here is the dust bag. I'm guessing she has not switched to the dust bags yet, which is perfectly fine because I like this whole little velvet moment. And your girl got, ooh, she got a Zaya. Okay. She feels very, very smooth leather on this one. Hand braided. So this is the Ariel Zaya bag. I wanted something very fun for the spring and summertime, mainly the summertime. My original Zaza, right here, it had a bit of texture, and because it was a natural material, the scales kind of lifted up. So I knew going into it, I didn't want anything that had any sort of texture to it, but I wanted something with a little bit of graphic, a little bit of fun, you know, something like that. So I've been wanting a Zaya bag for quite some time because I want to fit my phone into it. So here it is. You got your shoulder strap here. There is no pocket on the back. Really, really beautiful fabric. I will say that the leather is very interesting. These straps are removable. I did order a long strap, which is not in here. Okay, I gotta contact her because I definitely ordered the long strap. But inside, the inside is cobalt blue, which is my favorite color. You do have a slip pocket right here, and that is it. It is a fully lined bag. Now the leather, what I will say, the leather is very, very thin and lightweight. So if you like a very lightweight bag, you're probably going to love this. And the handle is very pliable, movable, so it's not going to be stiff wear. Not here. Okay, again, I have a very dressed down day today, so just going to see. So it's not all the way under my armpit, so I'm not going to be sweating on this bag, which is great because that always is in the back of my mind as a plus size woman with big arms, because you don't want a stinky little sweat pit on the top of your bag. That's not cute. That's not cute at all. But this is a beautiful looking bag. Like, someone will stop me and say, what is this? Again, I wish it did have some sort of branding on here so you kind of know it's a, you know, it's an iris. People need to know. So I don't know, like something right here. I know she's doing a iris logo. It would be cute if there was an iris logo right here in gold hardware. Just a suggestion, you know, so we know, so we could be like in the street, I want to do that. Like, I see you, girl. You see me? I see you, girl. You know, we got to have that camaraderie. But I really, really do like this bag. I was just really stuck with what to add to my collection, number one. And number two, what to actually choose from her newest spring collection. I want to say this is a part of the spring collection. I'm not 100% sure, but I saw this and I was like, yeah, I definitely want this because it's just making waves per use. And I do have quite a few sneakers I can rock with this since blue is my favorite color, even though green is creeping up hard, doing a sneak attack. But I do have to contact them because I definitely did pay for a longer strap, whether it will be braided like this. Look at the braid though. Look at the ombre on this. Look at, it's really, really beautiful. I really do enjoy that. And of course, this is hand braided. I do, however, wish that the hardware was a actual metal. I'm not sure if this is real metal or plastic. Well, it's not plastic, but I don't know. I wish the hardware had a little bit more weight to it if I had to critique anything. The main reason why I wanted to get a Zaya bag is because I want to fit my phone in here. And right now, I'm not going to do a what fits inside, but this does fit inside, which is really nice. The Zaza bag definitely did not fit. Actually, you know what? Let me grab it real quick so y'all can see a quick little side-by-side comparison. Okay, so quick little size comparison of the two. You could see she's gained a few inches. The height, it looks like Zaya is a little bit on the taller side, which I am all the way here for because this complements my body a lot better. And of course it does look a little bit wider from what I'm seeing, but yeah, I like the quality of this one. This one definitely has stepped up versus this one. Again, because of the type of leather that was used, I do have a lot of, you know, scales lifting up, but it's still a cute little bag. But she was not going to be able to fit my old phone nor this new phone, but this one, this is why I got this one, because I need to be able to put stuff into my purse. But if you didn't catch my unboxing of the original Zaza bag, I'm going to link that bong up top, and check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one.